Здравствуйте, как у вас дела? Ам, Меня зовут Соломон, я из Нигерии. Я студент в России. Я хочу рассказываю об одну тему для жизни в России. For those of us who are English speaking, my name is Solomon. I'm from Nigeria. I'm here in Europe. I want to give an advice to my fellow foreigners who are inspiring to come and study in Russia and also to come and do business or whatever thing they had in mind to do. It is very good, like what they say, is it traveling is part of experience. That is true. And I have been lucky enough to stay in 7 countries, and I'm glad that the experiences I acquired during my stay in these countries really helped me so much. And I'm here today to share my experiences with whoever that is happening to watch my channel at this moment. I think it is very good that people get aware and informed about the circumstances that they are getting into before it gets out of hands. Now, I had a lot of experiences when I was coming first to Europe and to this country. I didn't know that it's going to be different. But the law here, the law is the law. According to the law, you have to obey. Now, for students who are coming here, it is really, really very interesting place for you to be. The language is okay for you to learn. It's going to give you a plus to your experiences in life. At least you can communicate in several languages. There are a lot of foreigners that are coming here also who you can benefit from. But the law is when you are here as a student, you don't have any opportunity to work. Now, you can imagine a student who is coming from a background that is not financially buoyant. You can see that he's going to have a stress in his academic standard. So I think as a student you have to know exactly, or as an individual, you have to know exactly why you are here. Because most problems most people face is they want to come to Europe, they want to see life, they want to experience new things. But the thing is, you need to know what you are doing, what you are here for, why are you here, what can help you. Are you getting it? My channel, Give Global Foundation, is here to give solutions to assist students who are living, who are mostly foreigners, who are living in countries where the restriction is so strict for foreigners that you cannot work. Just have to focus on studies alone and depend on your parents in financing your education, feeding, accommodation, and all the rest. It is very stressful. I know where I came from. I know how it is. So, in this particular platform, I want you, whoever that is watching at this moment, to pay attention as I go through the various steps that is necessary for you to survive here in Russia or in any other European countries. It is very strict for foreigners, and I know how it is. I have talked to several few of the foreigners who are here, not only from Africa but from other countries, and their experiences also I'll be putting online for follow-up videos. It is really, really tedious, I can say. It's really tedious, but I'm very happy that I was able to benefit from this opportunity because I was able to establish myself. I am an online entrepreneur. I have various businesses online that are very successful, and I can say that I receive my income, my passive income on daily basis. I receive $1,000 on daily basis for my passive online businesses, and I have been in this business not for for less than less than 4 5 years now, and it has been profitable. And I think this kind of business will also help others who are foreigners who are living here who has no opportunity or no documents to work as a student, I think this business will be very, very profitable for you. So you can check that on any side of the video and follow up my link. I have my blog. You can visit my blog for questions, and you can drop your comments and ask whatever questions and whatever thing you need to know about how to survive, how to make passive income, how to generate funds, how to be self-employed, how to be financially free, how to be an online entrepreneur. I will, I assure you that I will do my best to comment on this. It is really, really, really very good experience that I was able to come to this part of the world to see. And as big as this country that has two parts, some part is in Europe and some part is in Asia, you can see there are a lot of opportunities that many could not see. Right from day one, I really wanted to be a self-employed individual where I will not be dependent on working for somebody or going out to search for jobs, submitting my documents, and being turned down, wasted time and everything. But I think I have the ability of being a job creator, and I've worked for it, and I have achieved it. I see my business are growing very fast. So if you want to check some of you want to leave your comments, you want to check some of my work, you can go through my blog www.gamestore.ga. You can still go to my official website www.gamestore.com. My blog also winning for wisdomforwinning.tk. Wisdomforwinning.tk is a blog that I personally created for individuals who are searching for their niche, who are searching for what they are capable of, who are searching for what they can do to achieve their destiny, to achieve their purpose of creation. Are you getting it? The most problems we face in life is we don't know who we are, why we are here, and how we can achieve the purpose. That is the three major things about life. People just do things because they saw other people doing it and want to do it. No, you need to know what you are capable of doing. So I want to two special points today before I call it a day. Two special points. If you are an individual and you're studying here, I think this program is for you. I'm going to give you a free course, a free lessons, and also upload videos that will help you to grow yourself, to develop your potentials, to seek your niche, to achieve your goal. I am here to motivate you guys, to empower you guys, to give you the opportunity to see yourself as not a loser but a winner. I think winning is not learned, it is a lifestyle. You have to be the person you want to be. And I would say that if you are skillful in whatever way you are, I think this is an opportunity for. I'm here to share with you how I made money online. How I became financially free, even in this place where we have minority of blacks and there is no way you can work. But I had to do my best and be able to pick out some information. So if I can make it in online business, you can also make it in online business. So what will happen is, if you want more videos from me, you should write it down, place a comment that this is what you want, and follow me on Instagram game07, and you can check my blog, as I said, wisdom for winning.tk. My website is also there, www.gamestore.com. That is my online website. That website has given me the opportunity. It pays me every day $1,000. I was able to involve myself in affiliate marketing and other things that I will talk in the next video. So I will say that it is not easy as a foreigner to live in a foreign country, especially when you are a student, especially when you're a student or you came for a job. You need to know that life in Europe is not that easy as we seem to think about it when we are in our mother's land. It is not easy. So you should always feel the urge to win. No, and it is not that everybody has to be an entrepreneur. Are you getting it? You just have to look for how. Now, if you want to say how can you make money online, how can you be a self-employed individual? First of all, I would say for you to be a self-employed individual or make money online, you have to at first note your niche. What are you good at? What do you know how to do? What do you love doing? What can you do? Some people are good in singing. Some people are good in writing scripts. Some people are good in ideas. Some people are good in teaching. Some people are good in talking on camera. Some people are good in acting, in comic drawings and everything. I think these are part of the things you can do. Some people are good in fitness exercises. Some people are good in writing and drawing. I think if you are able to know your niche, you'll be able to do that. Then secondly, the thing that is paying now that I think it is very important for everybody to get involved is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been paying a lot, and I'm a witness about that. I say even especially this Amazon affiliate marketing is happening so much, and I've benefited from it. So if you want more, and if there is any question, you can just drop it. I also want comments from foreigners. What they feel. What is your experiences? What have you seen? What have you felt when you came here first in Russia? How was the environment? How was your life? How was everything with you? How who was there when you were there? How long have you stayed? Well, how was everything going? So drop your comment. And my next video will be on how you can officially start your business, your online business, and grow it to the standard where you can make six-figure salary, self-made, six-figure salary. It is proven, and I am sure of what I'm saying now, that you can make money online without working for anybody. You can be your own boss. You can have your own blog, have your own site, website where you can sell your product or products of people and make money from it weekly, daily. It has been shown, it has been proven, and I'm a witness about it. So until then, please follow me, subscribe to my channel for you to view more of this positive program. It's free. I do. That is why I don't read anything. I just say it. It is free. I want to encourage people to be strong. To even they don't have any support, they should be strong and to be able to get the motivation they need to move forward. Thank you.